That covers everything I wanted to talk about regarding Scotch Box. Hopefully, this course also gave you a nice little intro to Vagrant and the benefits of using it for local development. I encourage you to check out the website if you have any questions. I try to write out some documentation on how everything works. There's also common questions. Or if you have a problem, check out the GitHub repo and you can just file a question. Other than that, before I send you off, I want to cover some other nice Vagrant projects out there. Scotchbox isn't the only thing out there that makes developing locally easy with Vagrant. There's a project, if you are strictly a WordPress person, called Varying Vagrant Vagrants, VVV. And this is really neat. It's built exclusively for WordPress people. There's a lot of features here. It was a little bit too much for me. I just like the simple Vagrant file. But check it out if you're doing WordPress. This might be the right project for you. And then for Laravel, I did that demo on setting up Laravel with Scotchbox. But Laravel is kind of its own beast where it's not just a framework, it's an ecosystem. They have their very own Vagrant setup called Homestead. This thing's always going to be current and awesome and well supported for Laravel specifically. It's probably the best way to do Laravel development. The other thing that they have is called Valet. This is just a really neat and cool tool for kind of getting set up with zero overhead, even less than Vagrant and Scotchbox. Check that one out too. It's not as powerful, but it does do some really awesome magic. And then finally, if you thought this course was easy or you want to learn more about Vagrant, we have an entire course on a little bit more on Vagrant versus just Scotchbox stuff. So I encourage you to check this course out if you want to, say, build your own Scotchbox from scratch or see how I did it. And we'll cover all the ins and outs of going through that process. That being said, that wraps up the course. Thanks, and feel free to reach out with questions.